I'm Modee Excreda, and I'm going to start singing a song about myself, and I'm a star pop singer around the world. Hey there, I post for pictures of myself. You give negative comments, I will remove totally myself. I'm better than you are nothing but stupid idiots.
Hey Modee, I see you trying for a singing career. Yeah, good luck with that, I guess.
Oh, it's the famous Tom thing, Helden. Hi, I was glad to meet you. Maybe you could have me come to Maple Grove, and I want to see you.
No, Modee, as long as you have a lot of money, and you can come and see me, and, doing fancies isn't gonna be good for my taste buds. But, maybe if you're broke though, don't bother coming because we don't like poor people. You know how that is.
You can hold my hand there, Tommy. I just want to hold your hand. Oh, you're so handsome.
I hurt Modee excrement. I hurt Modee excrement. Na 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 na. Go away, you stinky bread.
Modee Excreda, you are a pile of filth. You've slept around with anything alive. 2 legs, 4 legs, fish, 8 legs. Blech! You are revolting, and you will go to the sun and burn.
Mitch, what do you call me a piece of filth for? Just because I curse anything, and all kinds of people see this. Yucky stuff that means I should disappear. Mitch, please.
Okay, Modee Excreda, I will touch your hand. Well, you sin, you filthy wench. Ooh, ooh.
You too, Mitch.
Modee Excreda, disappear. Now you 2 guys will be Captain Badass, Terrorizing Tom, Van McKelden, and Pastor Money Mitch Victory.
Hey there, this is Captain Badass, Terrorizing Tom, Van McKelden. And I got some pop art gourmet snacks, pop stars, 3D potato bites, and it's barbecue. Yeah. Hey there, Money Mitch. Let's try some.
So deliciously gangster. Terrorizing Tom. Captain Badass. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot to take one myself. Oh wow. The vibes. Oh. Yeah. One more for me. A couple more. I shouldn't give you any of you Randy the Wild Horse who should be barbecued on his spit. But here you go.
Barbecue's delicious, Tom. No, I don't want your women. No thanks. I got some pop art, gourmet snacks, pop stars, 3D potato bites with cheddar. It's white food that is so divine, I'm sure. Let me try it. I'm so excited. Like that pop. It's no lie. It's rightfully delicious food. Yeah. Captain Badass. Tom Van McHelden. Have some.
Delicious, homie. Pastor Money Mitch Victory, or Father Victory. You're so cool. So wow.
Randall, I wouldn't give you any white cheddar, but you got rid of Modee Excreda. Actually, it was my special magic. But you gave me the idea, so you're rewarded with one. But please pay tribute to meeting everybody together honorably, and Women's Adult Counselor Leader Tom Van McHelden too, and give money. That white cheddar is delicious, Mitchell. And I'm not going to give any money to meeting everybody together honorably because, you know, you're on my YouTube channel and you always say for free anyway. Otherwise, white cheddar's delicious. And don't forget, both 3D potato bites are kosher and gluten-free.
It's great, but one of the white cheddar women is available. And she went to the women's adult counselor, and I gave her lots of advice. Yeah. And now I'll hand her to you, Father Mitch, Money Mitch, Pastor Money Mitch, my homie.
White cheddar lady is very beautiful.
Captain Badass, Terrorizing Tom. But I'm a married man. I will not cheat on my wife. Maybe Randall will take her, but actually she's too good for him. Does Randy want the white cheddar lady? There's your chance, Randy. You won't get the other one.
No, Tom, I don't want the white cheddar lady, but I like the white cheddar potato bites. But, Tom, you're disgusting. What you do with the ladies? You know, we all know that. Go away, Tom.
More wild funsies in every way for me.
Don't forget to try Popstar's 3D potato bites, barbecue, or white cheddar. That is totally up to you.